Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video I am going to show you my Shutterstock earning for the month of February. Most of my images were sold for 10 cents and only 3 images were sold for 44 cents. So let's get started. Here is the first skin texture image. I captured it using my mobile phone and convert it into black and white image and it was sold. Here is abstract gradient background. It was created in Photoshop. Here is a quote. It was created in mobile and it was sold for 44 cent. Here is another quote. It was sold many times and this time it was sold for 44 cent. Here is an illustration of set of leaves and flowers. It was sold for 10 cents and it was created using Photoshop and some AI images. So here one question will definitely come in your mind that why I am uploading or submitting AI images in Shutterstock while Shutterstock don't accept AI images. So the answer is I manipulate AI images so much that no one can tell that this image is created using AI. For example, this was a leaf. So it can be easily created in Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop and same for other icons. So you can use AI images and manipulate them so Shutterstock don't know these images are created using AI or created using different softwares. So it depends on how much you edit or how wisely you can manipulate an image. Here is abstract background for news background headlines. It's also a abstract background and here is another quote. Winners never quit. It was created in mobile app Pixel Lab. It was sold for 10 cents. Here is an illustration to show sympathy for the people who died or injured in the earthquake happened in 2023 in Turkey. So someone downloaded it in 2024 same day to show sympathy for the victims. Here it's an illustration of election 2024. It was sold many times. It was sold 3 or 4 times and it was used in many YouTube videos. Here an illustration of a typography text Gaza or Gaza. I have also created a live video on this how to create these type of illustrations. Please go and check the description, you will find its link. And here the last image, Black History Month. It was sold for 44 cent. So how much total I made? In total it's 17 downloads and I made $2.48. Thank you.